Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to straight pipe. The total expense can vary widely, influenced by several important factors. We will look at parts, labor, and installation complexity to give you a clear picture. Understanding these components will help you budget effectively for your project. This will give you confidence in your decision-making process. Deciding between doing it yourself and professional installation is a major cost factor. A do-it-yourself project might save you hundreds of dollars in labor, but it demands the right tools and skills. Professional shops typically charge for their expertise, ensuring the job is done correctly and safely. They can prevent costly mistakes, saving you money and frustration in the long run. The parts themselves are a significant portion of the total expense. Expect to pay between $100 and $500 for the straight pipe sections, depending on material like stainless steel and the vehicle's needs. Additional small components, such as clamps and hangers, might add another $25 to $100. High-quality parts can impact performance and longevity. At this stage, gently incorporate your sliced green chilies and any other fresh vegetables you prefer, like vibrant bell peppers or crisp long beans. Now, pour in the full 1 cup of rich coconut milk, stirring it carefully to evenly coat every ingredient in the pot. Reduce your heat to a low setting and allow the dish to simmer very gently for 20 to 25 minutes. This slow process ensures the pork becomes wonderfully tender and the sauce thickens perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.